Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's first word is yet. In Gujarati we say તો પણ, તો પણ, તો પણ. Still, હજુ. Still, in Gujarati we say હજુ. Before, પહેલા. Before, in Gujarati we say પહેલા. After, પછી. After, in Gujarati we say પછી, પછી. I am repeating. Yet, તો પણ, તો પણ, તો પણ. Still, હજુ, હજુ. Okay. Still, in Gujarati we say હજુ. Before, પહેલા, પહેલા, પહેલા. After, પછી, પછી. All right. I am repeating one more time. For yet, in Gujarati we say તો પણ, તો પણ. For still, in Gujarati we say હજુ, હજુ. Before, પહેલા. After, પછી. After, in Gujarati we say પછી, પછી. Now let us understand all these words by having sentences for each of them. Our first word is yet, and in Gujarati we say તો પણ, તો પણ. All right, so here we have sentence. He was tired. He was tired, yet he kept working. He was tired, yet he kept working. એ થાકી ગયો હતો તો પણ એ કામ કરતો હતો. Okay. Let me, okay, like this. For he or she, either you can say te or a. Okay. And થાકી ગયો હતો. He was tired. Okay. Was tired. થાકી ગયો. For tired, in Gujarati we say થાકી ગયો. For tired, in Gujarati we say થાકી ગયો. તો પણ. This is our keyword which we are understanding over here through sentence yet. In Gujarati we say તો પણ, તો પણ. એ કામ કરતો હતો. He kept working. Okay. Working, in Gujarati we say કામ કરવું. Okay. For working, in Gujarati we say કામ કરવું. He kept working means keep going on, like in that way. Okay. કરતો રહ્યો. Kept working. Kept working, in Gujarati we say કરતો રહ્યો. Okay. કરતો રહ્યો. This is in terms of action. If I want to say I am doing work, if I want to say I am doing work, in Gujarati I will say હું કામ કરું છું. I am doing work. In Gujarati we say હું કામ કરું છું. So understand one thing. Doing work, it means કામ કરું છું. And similar way, એ કામ કરતો રહ્યો. Sorry, he kept working. So for this one, he's keep going on in terms of work, though he was tired. If I want to say કરતો રહ્યો, કરતો રહ્યો, કરતો રહ્યો, like that. He kept doing work. He kept doing work even though he was tired. Okay, now I'm trying to explain you the sentences, but if you still having a doubt, don't worry about it. We'll have more sentences. Just try to understand couple of words which we use in our daily routine. If you understand words once, then sentence will be more easy. The next one is still. Still. In Gujarati we say haju. In Gujarati we say haju. So our sentence is ready. I am still waiting. I am still waiting. હું હજુ waiting. For waiting in Gujarati we say રાહ જોવી. Okay, but here I'm still waiting because it's the process is ongoing. I will say હું હજુ રાહ જોઈ રહ્યો છું. Now you will think that for just waiting we have this much to say, but this is the real word is only rah for waiting, but to explain or to express that particular action we have to end up with this sentence in this way. For example, if I want to say I am watching movie, then how will I say હું movie જોઈ રહ્યો છું. Okay, that see, watching it means જોવું. Watching means it only jow, but that process what I am doing, if you want to elaborate in a proper way, just to express what you are exactly doing, that time you have to use જોઈ, I mean રહ્યો છું. At the just after that particular words you have to add રહ્યો છું. For example, another sentence, let me explain you. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Then how will I say હું cricket રમી then રહ્યો છું. રમી રહ્યો છું. I am still waiting. For still in Gujarati we say haju. I am means who, and for waiting I would say રાહ જોઈ રહ્યો છું. Okay, રાહ જોઈ રહ્યો છું. Okay, to wait in Gujarati we say રાહ જોવી. To wait in Gujarati we say રાહ જોવી. When the process is going on, that time you can say રહ્યો છું, કરી રહ્યો છું. Okay, રહ્યો છું you have to add. Don't worry about this. We'll learn all this different kind of actions how to convey in Gujarati. Try to understand words first. Now our next word is before. In Gujarati we say પહેલા. Before in Gujarati we say પહેલા. Sentence we have is wash your hands before eating. So I hope through the sentence those words are getting clear to you. જમતા પહેલા હાથ ધોઈ લ્યો. Okay, now જમતા પહેલા. Okay, for eating in Gujarati we say જમવું. To eat in Gujarati we say જમવું. But here that process we are explaining in a way, we'll say we cannot say જમવું પહેલા. Okay, we should say જમતા પહેલા. Okay, sorry, before. In Gujarati we say પહેલા. For hands in Gujarati we say હાથ, and to wash we say ધોઈ લ્યો. ધોઈ લ્યો. Okay, હાથ ધોવા. Hand wash in Gujarati we say હાથ ધોવા. and to express that particular action in this sentence, we'll say હાથ ધોઈ લ્યો. Okay, I am repeating the complete sentence. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. In Gujarati we say જમતા પહેલા. For before, in Gujarati we say પહેલા. જમતા પહેલા હાથ ધોઈ લ્યો. હાથ ધોઈ લ્યો. For hands, in Gujarati we say હાથ. To wash, we'll say ધોઈ લ્યો. ધોઈ લ્યો. Okay, ધોઈ લ્યો. All right. The next one is after. After, in Gujarati we say પછી. We have sentence over here is we will talk after lunch. See, the sentence also what we are receiving is very routine, and this is how it will be easy for you to understand, not even words, but how we pronounce and how we discuss during each time in our daily routine. The sentence over here is જમ્યા પછી. Okay, જમ્યા પછી means after lunch. Okay, this will come together actually. જમ્યા પછી, after lunch. So this is not about lunch only. We say જમ્યા પછી. If it is dinner or breakfast, we'll say same. But even here in Gujarati nowadays, in our DNA, we can say we'll also speak couple of English word while we speak Gujarati. For example, here we can say lunch પછી આપણે વાત કરીશું. Okay, lunch પછી means, okay, the main word is after. In Gujarati we say પછી. So lunch પછી આપણે. For we, if you remember our previous session, we have understand about આપણે, okay, and અમે, if you remember, and the difference also. But if someone have missed that video, you will find it out in my YouTube channel. Okay, talk. For talk, in Gujarati we say વાત. If I want to say I am talking with Nirav, in Gujarati I will say હું નીરવ સાથે વાત કરી રહ્યો છું. See again, રહ્યો છું. See, કરી રહ્યો છું. Okay, વાત કરવી. To talk, in Gujarati we say વાત કરવી. And to express this action, we'll say વાત કરી રહ્યો છું. Okay, if you are doing something in present, you will say રહ્યો છું. Okay, હું વાત કરી રહ્યો છું. So this is how you can talk in Gujarati when you are using that sentence. Lunch પછી. For after, in Gujarati we say પછી. Okay, lunch, either you can say જમ્યા પછી or lunch પછી. Okay, we'll have a session about how to pronounce lunch exactly, dinner, breakfast, in maybe different session with different words. But today just try to understand about after and other all. We. For we, in Gujarati we say આપણે. Okay, okay, when I am talking to someone, having a group of people or my 2-3 friends, I would say આપણે. આપણે વાત કરીશું. We'll talk. To talk, in Gujarati we say વાત. Okay, and to talking we'll say વાત કરવી. વાત કરવી. Okay, and કરીશું means will do. If I want to use to finish this sentence with certain action, like I will do, that time I have to use કરીશું. Okay, for example, I want to say we will play, then what I will say, આપણે રમીશું. See, શુ, રમીશું, કરીશું. Okay, if I want to say we will go, So I mean to play in Gujarati we say રમવું. But if you want to say we will, I mean when will word added, that time you have to say ram and then you have to add I and shu. Ramisu. For example, we will go. To go in Gujarati we say, okay, let me, આપણે જઈશું. To go in Gujarati we say જવું. Again, ja, then we'll say aishu. Okay, assume this word. To go we say javu, but you have to copy, then take first to jai, then add aishu. Jaishu. Okay, for example here ramvu, to play in Gujarati we say ramvu, but if you want to say we will, that time what you have to do is ramvu ramishu. Okay, ramishu, jaishu. Okay, so this is how you can say when you want to use will word in sentence when you are talking about future. And if you are doing something in present, then you have to say રહ્યો છું. રહ્યો છું. For example, I am doing work. So how will I say? હું કામ કરી રહ્યો છું. હું કામ કરી રહ્યો છું. To do work in Gujarati we say કામ. For work in Gujarati we say કામ. Alright, my dear friends. So this is all about our today's session. I hope you are enjoying learning Gujarati. So kindly like my video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe my YouTube channel to learn Gujarati in detail. Take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.